In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for marketing campaigns. Planner setup. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable workspace to plan, organize, and track every campaign from kickoff to wrap up. First, open Airtable and create a new base. Choose Add a base, then start from scratch. Give it a clear name like Marketing Campaign Planner, so it's easy to find later. If you want, pick a color and icon that match your marketing vibe. This small touch makes your workspace more scannable. Next, set up your first table. Rename it to Campaigns so everyone knows what lives here. Now add the core fields you'll need. Create campaign name as a single line text field for quick labeling. Add start date and end date as date fields. This enables timelines and calendars. Add channel as a single select and include options like email, social media, ads, SEO, and events. Add owner or responsible. This can be a single select or a collaborator field, depending on your preference. For status, use a single select with planned, in progress, completed, and paused. Add budget as a currency field. Include goal or KPI as long text for targets like leads, sales, or engagement. Finally, add notes as long text for context, decisions, or links. You can always edit options later as your process evolves. Now start adding campaigns. Click the plus button to insert a new record, fill in the details, and repeat for each planned campaign. Keep names concise but descriptive, and make sure dates are accurate for better visibility across views. To organize and track, use the right views. The grid view is your all-in-one table for quick editing. Switch to calendar to see start and end dates visually. It's great for spotting overlaps. Kanban by status gives you a clear workflow, letting you drag campaigns from planned to in progress and beyond. You can also group by channel or owner to see workload and distribution at a glance. If you need Airtable, you'll find a link to the website, along with download links for the apps, right at the top of the description so you can follow along. For monitoring, apply filters to show only active campaigns or to focus on a single channel. Sort by start date, end date, or budget to prioritize work. Attach creative assets, design files, or relevant links directly to each campaign so everything stays together. Finally, keep it updated. Regularly adjust status, log budget spent, and record results against your KPIs. Consistent updates turn this planner into a reliable source of truth. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.